Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Buick Lacrosse. First, gather your essential tools, such as a new headlight bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. You'll find the headlight assembly easily accessible within the engine bay, usually near the front bumper. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Begin by removing any retaining clips or screws that hold the headlight assembly in place. These are typically found around the housing. Gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward, being mindful of any wires. Once it's free, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This step provides full access to the bulb itself for replacement. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Depending on your model, you'll either twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into its socket, ensuring it's seated correctly and secured firmly. This prevents premature failure and ensures proper light output. Once everything is secure, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all clips and screws are properly fastened. Before you finish, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly and illuminates the road ahead. This final check ensures your safety and proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.